उनकी जो क्रॉप्स हैं वो जैसे मेज, हमारा ये मक्का वगैरह सब पक जाते हैं। तो हमारे जो खेत होते हैं उनमें जो हमारी क्रॉप्स होती हैं वो पक जाती हैं, मतलब वो पूरी डेवलप हो जाती है, तो उनको कटिंग करते हैं। और मकर संक्रांति के दिन हिंदुइज्म में नया मानते हैं आज से हमारा ईयर। जैसे हम 1 जनवरी मानते हैं ना न्यू ईयर, ऐसे ही आज के दिन से मानते हैं हिंदुइज्म में। ठीक है, तो सबको मकर संक्रांति की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। तो आप मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं, कोई बताएगा? गुड़ गुड़ बोला क्या बोलते हो आप लोग?
तिलगुड़ बोला।
वेरी गुड।
तिल गुड़ देते हैं ना, तिल गुड़ खाने के लिए देते हो आप लोग और बोलते हो कि तिल गुड़ खाओ। उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि तिल गुड़ खाओ और मीठा मीठा बोलो, ऐसा ही होता है ना मतलब। चलो अभी हम अपनी हिंदी की क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे। कल हमने कौन से 2 व्यंजन सीखे थे? कम ऑन, अब हम रिवीजन करेंगे अपना। सबसे पहले ट सीखा था, ट और ठ। बोलो ट।
से टमाटर, ट से टेलीफोन, ट से टोपी, ट से टब।
वेरी गुड। और ठ से बताओ।
ठ से
ठेला,
ठ से ठेला, ठ से ठठेरा, ठ से ठप्पा, ठ से ठंडी।
हाँ वेरी गुड। ठ से ठेला, ठ से ठठेरा, ठ से ठप्पा, ठ से ठंड या ठंडी। वेरी गुड। और अब हम अपना नेक्स्ट व्यंजन सीखेंगे, हिंदी का नेक्स्ट लेटर सीखेंगे। ये देखो, सबको दिख रहा है ना? मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो। ड ड ड ड ड से
डमरू,
ड से ड से डमरू बोलो सब। और ड से डमरू मालूम है कौन बजाता है? कौन से हमारे गॉड है हिंदुइज्म में जो डमरू बजाते हैं? द लॉर्ड शिवा। यस, द लॉर्ड शिवा, जो हमारे शिव भगवान है, द लॉर्ड शिवा, उनके पास डमरू है और वो क्या बजाते हैं? डम 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 डमरू। तो ड से डमरू। और सेकंड है हमारा ड से डाकिया। डाकिया मीन्स ड से पोस्टमैन। इसको इंग्लिश में पोस्टमैन भी बोलते हैं। आपके घर में लेटर्स आती है ना, तो वो कौन देने आता है? पोस्टमैन। ड से डाकिया बोलो। ड से डाकिया, सब बच्चे बोलो।
से डाकिया।
वेरी
वेरी
गुड।
गुड। ड से डाकिया। ये हमारी लेटर्स आती है जो दूसरे स्टेट से, कोई आपको लेटर लिखते हैं, आपकी मम्मा को, कोई पापा को, कोई आपके रिलेटिव, कोई दूर रहते हैं, तो हमारे पोस्टमैन, हमारा डाकिया हमारे घर तक वो लेटर्स देने आते हैं। तो ड से डाकिया और ड से डमरू। हमने ड से 2 शब्द। अब हम तीसरा सीखेंगे। ड से डलिया बोलो। से
डलिया।
देखो मैं आपको डलिया दिखाती हूँ। डलिया एक टोकरी होती है, ये देखो, ये है ड से डलिया। गांव में जो हमारी लेडीज होती हैं, औरतें काम करती है ना, वो ऐसे ये उठा के जाती हैं। इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? ड से डलिया। ऐसे सिर पे रख के जाती है, काम करती है ना। इसमें वेजिटेबल्स लाती हैं, सब्जियां लाती हैं, खेत में से फल लाती हैं, फ्रूट्स लाती हैं, तो इसको बोलते हैं ड से डलिया। देखा सबने? ये एक तरह की टोकरी होती है, लेकिन इसको गांव में ड से डलिया बोलते हैं। तो अभी हमने डलिया देखा, तो सब बोलो ड से डलिया। और ड से क्या होता है? ड से डंडा। डंडा। ये क्या है? ड से डंडा। क्या है ये? ड से डंडा। डंडा लकड़ी का होता है।
ल से लाठी।
हाँ वेरी गुड। ल से लाठी भी बोलते हैं। और ड से डंडा भी बोलते हैं इसको, ठीक है। और अभी हमने हिंदी के ड से 4 शब्द सीखे। बोलो, ड से डमरू,
ड से डमरू,
ड से डाकिया,
ड से डाकिया,
ड से डलिया,
ड से डलिया,
और ड से डंडा।
और ड से डंडा।
वेरी गुड। अब हमने हिंदी के ड से 4 शब्द सीखे। अब हम ड को लिखना सीखेंगे। कम ऑन, टेक आउट योर स्लेट्स एंड चॉक्स। कम ऑन चिल्ड्रन।
Good. Come on, everyone. Everyone, remove your books or slate. चलो.
ये देखो मैंने क्या बनाया है यहाँ पे ड से।
What I
कौन बताएगा ये क्या है? अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना, डलिया। ड से
ड से थाली बोलते हैं।
सॉरी,
थ से थाली।
ओके, ये ड से डलिया है। डलिया मीन्स टोकरी होती है एक तरह की। अभी हम ड लिखना सीखेंगे। टेक आउट योर स्लेट्स एंड पेंसिल, चॉक्स, कॉपी है। कम ऑन, लुक हियर। सब इधर देखो। सबसे पहले हमें अपनी हिंदी की नोटबुक में जो हमारी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है वहां से एक स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो, हाफ। फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से एक हाफ स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो।
फिर उसके ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग
नो
लाइन।
नो नो, उसके बाद एक ऐसे कर्व ले लो जो हमारा सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से टच करके नीचे आएगा। पहले स्टैंडिंग लाइन, हाफ, और उसके बाद एक हाफ कर्व जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से नीचे आएगा। किया? और जहां पे हमारा ये एंड हो रहा है ना कर्व, वहां से हमें एक और कर्व लेना है जो थर्ड ब्लू लाइन में टच होके ऐसे ऊपर की ओर मुड़ेगा, टर्न हो जाए। और उसके बाद ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन। ये बन गया हमारा ड। ड से डलिया, ड से डमरू, ड से डंडा, और ड से डाकिया। एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। जिनको नहीं आया, कम ऑन, लुक हियर। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से एक छोटा हाफ स्लिप स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उसके बाद एक कर्व बना के सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से नीचे आ जाओ। और फिर उसके बाद इस ड को कंप्लीट करेंगे थर्ड ब्लू लाइन से ऐसे घुमा के, और एंड में एक स्लीपिंग लाइन। बन गया ड। ड से डलिया। कम ऑन, शो मी योर्स। वेरी गुड नित्या, जानवी, वेरी गुड स्वरा। थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है बेटा, एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करो। शो मी अभी योर्स। Come on, Karanveer, show me yours. Meet, very good. Very good. Very good, Abir. थोड़ा सा और प्रैक्टिस करो। Very good. शर्वरी, स्वराज, very good, very clear. Okay, ये है ड से डमरू, ड से डलिया, ड से डाकिया, ड से डंडा। सबने दिखा दिया? वेरी गुड। कम ऑन, अभी हम नेक्स्ट व्यंजन सीखेंगे, नेक्स्ट लेटर। कम ऑन, लुक हियर। अभी हमने ड सीखा था, अब हम ढ सीखेंगे। ड से डमरू हुआ, अब ड से ढक्कन, ड। कम ऑन लुक हियर, देखो इधर सब बच्चे। ढ से ढोलक, ढ से ढोलक, बोलो ढ।
ढोलक, ढ से ढोलक,
ये ढ है, ढ।
ढोलक,
ढोलक देखा है किसी ने? एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, ऐसे ढोलक को बजाते हैं जब भी किसी की शादी होती है या कहीं पे भगवान का भजन होता है, तो वहां पे लेडीज ढोलक बजाती हैं। ढ से ढोलक, ढ से
क्या बोलते थे?
ढक्कन, ढ से ढक्कन। ये देखो, ये देखो ढ से ढक्कन सबके घर में होता है ना। मम्मा कढ़ाई में सब्जी बनाती है, फ्राइंग पैन में सब्जी बनाती है, तो उसको किससे कवर करती है? ढक्कन से। ढ से ढक्कन, बोलो क्या है ये?
ढक्कन,
ढ से ढक्कन, वेरी गुड। और नेक्स्ट होता है ढ से ढोकला। किस किस को पसंद है ढ से ढोकला खाना?
ढोकला।
वेरी गुड, जानवी को पसंद है। और किसको पसंद है? ढोकला किस किस का फेवरेट है? ये एक गुजराती डिश होती है, नित्या को पसंद है, वेरी गुड। ढ से ढोकला, बोलो गुड। और ढ से फोर्थ शब्द क्या है हमारा? ढफली, वेरी गुड। और ढ से डफली, बोलो ढ से डफली। ये भी एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट। इसको ऐसे ऐसे बजाते हैं तो बहुत आवाज आती है। देखा है किसी ने डफली कभी?
बोल मेरे पास है।
हाँ मेरे पास है।
दिखाओ किसके पास है, कम ऑन शो मी।
अभी नहीं।
अभी दिखा सकते हो? ओके कोई बात नहीं, नहीं दिखा सकते तो कम ऑन लुक हियर। ये देखो ढ से डफली, ये म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, और ढोलक भी एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है। तो ढ से ढोलक, बोलो कम ऑन से एवरीबॉडी।
ढोलक,
ढ से ढक्कन,
ढक्कन,
ढ से ढोकला,
ढोकला,
ढ से डफली,
डफली।
वेरी गुड। अभी हमने ड और ढ दोनों बोलना सीख लिया, अब हम ढ लिखना सीखेंगे। कम ऑन टेक आउट योर स्लेट्स अगेन। सॉरी, कम ऑन। ये देखो क्या है, ये ढ से मैंने क्या बनाया है? ढक्कन, बोलो सब
ढ से ढक्कन।
वेरी गुड। अब हम ढ लिखना सीखेंगे। कम ऑन लुक हियर। सबसे पहले हम एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन डालेंगे अपनी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से। हमें हाफ स्टैंडिंग लाइन डालनी है फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन पे। उसके बाद हम एक सर्कल लेंगे ऐसे, लुक हियर, जो हमारा सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को क्रॉस करके थर्ड ब्लू लाइन में टच हो जाएगा। हाफ सर्कल जो हमारा सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को टच करके थर्ड ब्लू लाइन पे एंड होगा। किया सबने? और उसके बाद जहां पे ये हमारा एंड हो रहा है हाफ सर्कल, वहां से एक फुल सर्कल बना के ऐसे अंदर को एंड कर देंगे। देखो ध्यान से। और उसके बाद उसके ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन, तो ढ बन गया, ढ से ढक्कन। एक बार और देखो, कम ऑन लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी। देखो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से एक हाफ स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उसके बाद वहां से एक हाफ सर्कल जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से टच करके थर्ड ब्लू लाइन पे एंड हो जाएगा। लिखा सबने हाफ सर्कल? उसके बाद जहां पे हमारा ये एंड हो रहा है हाफ सर्कल, वहां से एक सर्कल बना के अंदर की तरफ उसको टर्न करके एंड कर देंगे, और उसके बाद ऊपर उसके स्लीव पे लाइन, ढ ढ से ढक्कन। वेरी गुड नित्या, वेरी गुड। थम्स अप फॉर यू। कम ऑन सोरा, शो मी योर्स। गुड। यू नीड थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फिर और बेटर हो जाएगा। कम ऑन स्वरा। स्वरा ये उल्टा बना दिया बेटा आपने, उल्टा बना दिया। वेट अ मिनट। यस मीत, वेरी गुड। Karanveer, come on, show me yours. Janvi, very good. Abir, very good, very clear.
Yes, Abir also. Janvi, Swaraj.
Chirag, come on. Yes, very nice.
Chirag also. Yes.
Yes, very good. Meet, very good. Janvi. Swara अपना दिखाओ. Very good, Karanveer. All others, come on, show me yours. उसको सीधा लिखो बेटा. Thumbs up for you all. You all are rocking. Very good, Nitya. You did so well. Very good. Very good for everybody. Thumbs up for you all. Clap. Very good. So now अब हम अपना एक छोटा सा रिवीजन करेंगे। Come on, look here. ये देखो, अभी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलना सब। Come on, say everybody. क से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से गधा, घ से घड़ी, ङ से खाली बजाओ ताली। वेरी गुड। अब नेक्स्ट लाइन, कम ऑन लुक हियर। च से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, झ से झरना, य से खाली बजाओ ताली। वेरी गुड। अब थर्ड लाइन, कम ऑन लुक हियर। ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठठेरा, ड से डलिया, ढ से ढक्कन, ढ से ढक्कन। कम ऑन से ढ से ढक्कन। You all are rocking stars. अभी आपने ढ तक सीख लिया, ढ से ढक्कन। अभी आपको वर्कशीट आएगी आज की, तो आप ढ और ढ का प्रैक्टिस करना। ओके चिल्ड्रन?
Yes,
सबको आ
thank
गया
you.
ना?
धन्यवाद मीनाक्षी
Yes मैम,
teacher.
थैंक यू बच्चों, धन्यवाद बच्चों।
Everybody got it? Yes. So many
Yes.
letters you'll have got.
Yes.
Yes. Hussein, you want to learn?
बाय बच्चों।
Join. Thank you. Bye bye.
धन्यवाद।
Learn करना है? You want to learn Hindi? You can join early. Okay. It is a very nice language, you know. We need to know Hindi also in our in
Okay,
India,
धन्यवाद
right?
बच्चों. Bye.
Bye, Meenakshi teacher. Thank you. Chalo, all are ready? Everybody is ready. Good morning to everybody. Hussein, Riyan. So now, well, let's. Yes. It is a winter morning. It is not very cold because today is Makar Sankrat. Okay, we will talk about Makar Sankrat. But before that, let's warm up with some yoga poses or cardiac poses with Munira teacher. Everybody's ready for the exercise.
Yes.
Chalo, well,
Yes.
Munira
They
teacher.
all are ready with the
Uh,
exercise. Yes.
Yes, Munira teacher.
Okay.
Start with your exercise. Then we'll welcome everybody and we'll welcome Makar Sankrat. Yeah?
Yes. Okay. Now, everybody, are you all ready? Yes. Okay. Now, before we start our yoga and exercise, what should we do? We should do warm-up exercise today. Okay, and we are going to do cardio. Today we are going to do cardio. I don't want you all to sit in your one place. Come on. Everybody get up. Get up, get up, get up. Chalo, fast, 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 fast. No sitting. Cardio requires lots of energy. I don't want any child to sit on the chair. I want everyone to get up. Chalo, fast. Okay, now before we start our cardio exercise, let's do warm up. Come on, let's do warm up. Now, how will you do the warm up? By just doing your neck exercise up. Come on, look up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, and side to side, side, left to right, and left to right. Okay. Now your hand, your shoulder movement. Come on, rotate, 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 rotate. Now reverse, rotate. Very good. Yay. Now let's do here. Put your hands on your waist. Turn right and turn left. And go down, touch your feet and go up. Okay, again, on your right, on your left, touch your feet and turn, go behind. Okay, now your hands down, your palm down, your palm up, your palm up. Okay, now bend a little on your left, little on your right. Okay, now let's start with our cardio. Now, come on, I want everyone to jog. Come on, let's jog. 1, 2, 3, start. Jogging, 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 jog, 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 fast, 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 fast. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Now slow, 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 slow. One more time. Second time. Come on. Fast. 1, 2, 3, start. Jog, 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 jog. I like to jog. I like to jog. I like to jog every day. Now, slow, 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 and slow. Okay. Now, we are going to jump. 1, 2, and 3, start. Jump, 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 jump. 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now, again 10 times you have to jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's nice. Now, we are going to do We are going to take both the hands up and down with both the legs. You have to have a proper coordination of your hands and of your legs. Okay. Now see, I'm doing it. Now here. 2. Okay. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. One more time. One more time. Again 10 counts. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now we are going to do skipping. Come on. Let's do the skipping. Again 10 counts. Okay. If you want to do with one leg, like a cycle, or you want to jump, do whatever you want, but you have to do the skipping. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. One more time. Again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes. Okay. Now I want you all to relax. Fine. Chalo. Everyone sit down, sit down, sit down, and relax. Okay. Relax. Everyone. Okay. Let's do relaxing exercise. Cool down. Okay. Cool down. Now,
You are also looking. You are also,
exercise.
you are also panting. Children also panting.
We are panting, right? Okay. Okay.
Cardio was
Okay. Let's do breathing exercise just for 2 minutes. I will not take much of your time. Okay. Now I want you all to do Alom Vilom. I don't know. See, what you have to do is put your right thumb on your right nostrils and just breathe from the other side. Okay. See here. Then touch the other side and remove the finger. Will you be able to do this? No, I don't think so. You'll be able to do it. No problem. Let's breathe in for 3 times and breathe out for 3 times. Okay. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, start.
yes.
Okay. Yes. Relax, relax, relax. Now, I want you all to just rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands. Rub, 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 rub. And on your feet. Refreshing. Yes. Okay. So what is today? You all remember? You all know what is it? What is today? Sankranti. Yes. So today even we are going to celebrate Makar Sankrant festival. Okay, in our today's session. Okay. And now I'm going to call Lubena ma'am. Lubena ma'am, are you there?
Yes, yes, Munira teacher, my bandwidth is low, but I can take it whatever.
Okay, fine.
So children, are we ready? Today is Makar Sankranti, and you know who celebrates Makar Sankranti from here? Who celebrates? Abhi told me he celebrates. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Munira
yes, we
teacher?
can hear you.
Yeah. So Abir celebrates Makar Sankranti. All the Hindus celebrates Makar Sankranti, and it is a very big festival, like how we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Eid. So Makar Sankranti is also a very big festival. Now Makar Sankrant. What does Makar Sankrant say? It is a respect to sun god. Okay, God, sun is a god for us, right? If sun doesn't come out, what will happen? Will you get light? No, everything will die. We will not have life. Sun is very, very important in our life, you know. So this Makar Sankrant is a respect to sun god, to tell sun god how important you are for us, and please always shine on us and bring lot of happiness. Sabko khushi do, sab khush rahe. That is why we celebrate, we dedicate this festival to sun god. And who celebrate this festival? All the Hindus celebrate this festival, and everywhere it is celebrated, not only in Maharashtra, it is celebrated in the north also, everywhere. Like Abir is in Hong Kong and he's going to celebrate Makar Sankrant. Okay, now what happens in Makar Sankrant? There are 3 days of Makar Sankrant. Okay, now 1 minute, Huzefa. There are 3 days of Makar Sankrant. Okay, in that, one is Makar Sankrant. You do prayers, you burn fire, and you do prayers to sun god. Then second day is Lori. You know Lori, we did winter bonfire, right? Everybody did bonfire in winter, right? So we burnt all the logs and there was a fire. Then in Lori, people dance around the fire. They are so happy and they burn all the bad things in the fire. They want now all the happiness. Yes, and in this yes, and in this you did yesterday, yes, and I'm sure Karanveer must have said Corona ko fire mein dal denge.
Yes, yes.
Now Corona is going to go away. We are going to get all new vaccines. So this is a happy time, right? Everybody is going to move freely then. So everybody is going to say to fire god, to sun, to please drive away Corona. And we all become happy people going to school, children, people going to work. Everybody is going to be happy. Okay, now there is one more thing we celebrate in Makar Sankrant. Kites, you know, out in the garden each fine day. With anybody has flown a kite? Anybody? Where do we fly the kite? We fly the kite up in the sky. And this month, in this January month, during Makar Sankrant, there is lot of breeze around. Okay, it is an entering of the new season. Yes, and then what happens? People, what do? They take lovely kites, they colorful kites. Some have, and children also fly kite, but they have Spider-Man on their kite. They have Pikachu kites, lovely kites you get in the market. And kites, we have to tie a knot, and there is a reel, and you have to blow it in the sky. You have to fly it in the sky. And then the kites are all, tomorrow you see, I don't know whether in Pune you can see, but you have to go to the terrace. You can't fly the kite from your house. No, in the terrace you have to fly your kites. And especially in Gujarat. Anybody is from Gujarat here? In Ahmedabad, in Surat, they have a kite flying festival. Over there, there is a lot of breeze and there is a competition. When you fly a kite, you have to see that your kite flies right up in the sky and it breaks away other kites. Your thread should be very sharp and there is a lot of fun over there. Okay, so if possible, Jabin teacher will show you a video on.
And you know what do they say? Kai poche. They say kai poche.
Kai poche. When they fly the kite, what do they say? What is the meaning of that, Jabin teacher? I don't know. Do you know? Anybody knows the meaning of that? Kai poche?
Yes.
Anybody
Yeah,
knows?
in the movie, when we saw the movie Kai poche, there was the meaning, but I also don't know what is the meaning. Anybody knows?
I will Google and find out. Kai poche.
Yeah.
Yes. So that is
Okay.
also fun. Kites flying in the sky, the fire burning, and we are dancing. All this is the sign of happiness. Everybody should be happy. And there is one more food we eat during Makar Sankrant. Remember in school also we used to give you, what we used to give you? Tilgulya ani gud gula, right? Everybody knows what is the meaning of that. tal and good. Husaina teacher is going to take up that in the session. And they make laddus, they make chikkis, and then they give it to, they share it. This festival is of sharing, caring, not talking anything bad, always talking good, and bringing lot of happiness. So what do we say? Til gul kya ani good good bola. Okay, come on, who will say with me? Who knows to say this line? Yes, tilgul is a till sweets you get. Yes, white sweets you get. Yes, that you share it. Everybody goes and spreads in the hand. Tilgul ya ani good bola. You can tell your mama, please don't shout at me. I'm giving you tilgul, okay? So mama will not shout at you. Mama doesn't shout at you as it is, but this is just a respect that
You're on mute, ma'am. You're on mute.
to fight. We are all going to live very happily. How we everybody faced corona, right? We were all tough times we faced together. So this is now the sign of happiness. Makar Sankranti is a sign of happiness. Now tomorrow is a holiday. So tell your mama to buy a kite for you. And tomorrow morning you go on the terrace, and then what you do? You can fly a kite, okay? But fly a kite doesn't mean you just need a kite. You need a kite. Jabin teacher taught you how to do block printing on the kite. You can make your own kite also, but it needs a thin paper. If it is a very thick paper and it needs those sticks in the middle to balance in the air, okay? The wind, the direction of the wind. Then you need the manja, you need the roll, all three things, and then you can fly a kite, okay? Anybody has flown anybody has did kite flying? Anybody did kite flying? Anybody has done kite flying? Meet, have you tried kite flying? No?
Yes,
You
teacher. Balloon flight.
Correct. You also celebrate, no, Lori? Yes, and Lori is even.
Yeah, we showed
Yes.
them a video, ma'am, where all the
Yes,
three
yes.
festivals are
And
explained.
one more thing. And Makar Sankrat, after Makar Sankrat festival, what happens? All crops grow. All lovely crops grow. Then everybody gets proper food. No, if crop grows, then everybody gets proper food. So Makar Sankrat is harvesting season also. Okay, it's a festival of harvest also. We pray to God to give us a good harvest. Yeah, a good food. Yes. So yes, now let's see a video, Jabin teacher. Is it how they celebrate for Makar Sankrat til gul kya ani good bola. Okay. Chalo, now let's go to Munir. Husaina teacher. Where is Husaina teacher? Is there?
Yes.
Oh, here, Husaina teacher. Now we have to eat good food also, no? We have to eat all healthy food, and Husaina teacher is all ready with a healthy stuff. So over to Husaina teacher.
Good morning, children. How is everyone? All up good? Yes, good morning. Okay. Today we are going to learn about healthy food. But before learning that, last week, Raju ने क्या खाया था? किसे पता है? Who can tell me? What did Raju eat last week?
Junk food.
Donut. Yes, junk food. And in the junk food, pizza, then donuts. Then what does mommy give when friends had come home? And one more cake. Yes. And then which chocolate did he have? You'll remember which chocolate? Dairy milk. Very good. And at night, what he had for dinner? Dinner में क्या खाया उसने? सोचो. 2 minutes.
Noodles.
Noodles. Yes, for dinner he had noodles. Then what happened in the middle of night? What happened? उसका पेट दुखने लगा. His teeth started paining and his stomach started paining. All this happened. Why? Because Raju, whole day he did not eat proper food, proper meal, healthy food. He ate all junk things. That is why his health was spoiled. And then in the morning, he had to go to a doctor. Okay. So now today, I will tell you what healthy food you all should eat. Okay. Now, what is food? Food is something that provides nutrients to your body. Okay. That gives nutrients, energy to your body. And nutrients is that substance. जो आप खाते हो, उसे nutrients, all that things give you nutrients and energy. Your body needs to do a lot of work. All your cell needs to do all functions. Your digestive system needs energy. When you breathe, your lungs have to be healthy. Your tissues have to wear and tear, repair होने चाहिए. If you don't eat food, आप गिर जाते हो ना, कभी भागते भागते आप गिर जाते हो, आपको लग जाता है, तो आपकी skin आ जाती है ना वापस. Automatically the skin comes. When you cut your nails, when your nails grow, you cut them. Again, after a few weeks, your nails all become big. So how they become big? Because you eat food, your hair grows. All this happens because of the food, of the nutrients what you are taking in your body. So that is why you have to eat healthy food. Okay. So now today we are going to see all the healthy food which we have to. Now, what is this? Can anyone tell me?
Water.
Yes, this is a glass of fresh water.
Water.
Water is the most healthiest drink. Then Pepsi, then any fruit juices also, then Coca-Cola. Water, the fresh water. And it is a very important substance for your body. Okay? It gives you lots and lots of nutrition every day. You know how many glasses of water you must drink? 8 glasses of water. How many glasses? Anyone can show me with your fingers? 8 of water at least you must drink. Okay, that will keep you hydrated. And water, what an important work water does. Whatever you all eat, आप जो भी दिन में खाते हो, and you drink water, it helps to digest. आपका food digest करता है, and water flows everything in the cell. Okay, आपके body के अंदर cells रहते हैं ना, वहां पे सब water tries to move all your food in the cells of the body. And main thing, it gives oxygen to your brains. Then your brain starts working. नहीं तो आपका दिमाग काम नहीं करेगा, because brain के अंदर water has to go, blood has to go. So when you eat, it forms blood, and this blood is carried with the help of water to your brains. So water is very important substance for the healthy food. Okay. And how many glasses you have to drink? 8 glasses. It keeps and function. आप सुसु करते हो ना? आप सुसु करते हो, आप potty करते हो, है ना? You all go for potty, you go for susu. So what happens? वो क्या कर है? What is that? All the dirt, what is there in your tummy, that gets all flushed out from your body. जो भी गंदी चीजें हमारे tummy में है ना, वो सब पानी पीने से बाहर निकलता है. And what is the passage? When you go for urination, आप सुसु करते हो. When you go for potty, so all that is flushed out. When you drink water, to drink water on the empty stomach is also very, very healthy. अगर आप सुबह उठते हो and you drink 1-2 glasses of water on an empty stomach, it makes you healthy and strong whole day. Okay. So water is first substance which is nutrition. Okay. अभी हम breakfast करते हैं जब हम सुबह उठते हैं. When we get up in the morning, what you do? You do breakfast now. So what you eat in the breakfast? What you drink?
Milk.
Yes, this is a glass of milk.
Milk.
कौन नहीं पीता है दूध? कौन सताता है मम्मी को? Anyone troubles? Anyone troubles for drinking milk? You must not trouble. Milk, all the dairy products. Milk. Then Hosanna teacher has got something else. This is paneer. Okay. All these are dairy products. And these all dairy products are good for your health. They give you calcium. Milk gives you lots of calcium. Why? If you drink milk, your bones will become healthy. Your teeth gums will become healthy. So you must drink milk. If you don't like plain milk, what flavors you can put in the milk?
Bournvita.
Yes, Bournvita. कौन पीता है Bournvita का milk? Anyone drinks Bournvita milk? Okay. And who drinks Horlicks? Horlicks कौन पीता है? Who drinks Horlicks? Anyone drink? Oh, wow. Then anyone has rose milk?
I drink haldi ka doodh.
Oh, very good. Very nutritious and good. Very nice. And in this Corona ka time, so you must drink healthy milk. Bournvita. Oh,
Hussaina teacher, you
You
are
are
on
on
mute.
mute. Yeah, you are on mute.
okay. So everyone is drinking milk. कोई दूध के लिए माँ को सताता नहीं है. Very good children. So keep drinking milk. And if you don't like plain milk, you can add Bournvita, you can add Horlicks, you can add rose, you can add almonds also.
And I like white doodha.
Okay, you like plain milk. Okay, very good. But you must drink milk, okay? At least twice a day. You must have a glass of milk. And milk, why? Because milk gives calcium to your body. Milk gives protein to your body, and muscles need them, okay? So when you become old, your bones will remain strong because you have had milk every day. So keep drinking milk. So milk is all milk, yogurt, dahi. अब बोलते हैं ना dahi. So yogurt and paneer, all these dairy products have protein, calcium in them, which your body needs. Now, one more thing we can have in the morning. Who will tell me what is this? Egg. Ande ka fanda. Who eats this? Anyone is there? All are vegetarians. Non-veg people, they eat eggs. Boiled. You like egg? Very good. You can make omelette. You can.
Like it.
Okay. Any form you can. Yes. You like eggs? And why you must eat eggs? Why you must eat eggs? They are good source of protein. Eggs are also a good source of protein. And protein food makes your muscles and body strong. So every day, milk and egg has to be there in your diet. Okay, so that gives you protein, lot of proteins you get. And you know, egg white is more nutritious. अगर आप egg white खाते हो ना, egg has two colors, yellow and white. So egg white is more nutritious. So eat eggs every day. This is also a healthy food.
मैम जब रेनबो क्लास होता है ना फिर मैं एग ही खाता हूँ.
Oh, okay. Very good. Now, one more. Jimmy teacher, can we see the picture of a fish, seafood? Yes. Okay. Now, one more thing. Fish, seafood is there, which is very, very good. Like fish, prawns. Some people love all the seafood, and it is also very, very nutritious and healthy food. And eating fish gives you vitamins. Eating food, which vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight. Okay, so if you eat seafood also in your diet, it gives you all the nutritions. So now, which other fruit? Wow, the most important things. What is this?
Fruit.
No, 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 no. Oh my, one.
Vegetables.
Yes. Which vegetable is this?
Potato.
Potato. Red color, red color. Tomato. Heavy, heavy, big, big. Pumpkin.
Green.
Wow, very clever, Olapika. Carrot. There are lots of leafy vegetables. Yes, there are lots of leafy vegetables which are green in color, which you have to eat every day. Okay, you all are eating now vegetables. Who is not eating vegetables at home? No one is there. No? Everyone is eating now. Very good. So vegetables also give you a lot of minerals, vitamins, calcium, everything. Yes. Okay, so these were the vegetables which you have to eat so that your body is fit and fine. Now comes the, oh my God, everyone's favorite.
Mango.
Mango. So what is this?
Fruit.
Fruits. Which fruit is this?
Banana.
Wow.
Tomato.
No, no, no.
Apple.
Yes. An apple a day keeps.
Away.
Very good. Once more we'll say, an apple a day keeps doctor away. So eat. Yes.
टीचर मैं खाता हूँ एप्पल.
I eat. What you will say? खाता हूँ नहीं बोलेंगे. I eat apple. Okay. Now this season though we are getting so many orange. You can have fresh orange juices. मैं पण खाती हूँ नहीं बोलना है. What you say? Papaya. Juicy, juicy. Watermelon. Oh, so fruits. This is also very, very important.
Apple.
Yes, you can make. What you can make with fresh fruits? What you can make? Milkshake.
Juice.
Yes, juices. So instead of, why you must have Pepsi? Why you must have cola, thumbs up? You must tell Mama, let's make fresh fruit juices instead of Pepsi and all that. Those are carbonated drinks, which does not give you any energy. But if you have orange juice, if you have watermelon juice, apple juice, it will make you strong, and it also controls the blood sugar in your body. Okay, drinking, and it helps in digestion also. So drinking fresh fruit juices, Okay. Now from today, no aerated drinks. Okay. Tell mama, let's make fresh fruit juices. You can make milkshakes also. You can have strawberry milkshake. You can have watermelon milkshake also. Banana milkshake. That also gives.
My mama, so take in supermarket cold drinks.
Cold drinks. Oh, mama, very bad, very bad. Now from today, mama, you tell mama, mama, now we will not take any cold drinks. We'll take
That's
fruit.
what my mama takes.
Okay. She will be taking for Papa. The Papa can have sometimes. Okay. Let Papa have. But tell Mama, Mama, you
ma'am,
buy
but
fruits from
My
me.
papa is in China and I am in Hong Kong.
Oh my God. Okay. But now from today, Mama will buy for you fresh fruits and make fresh juice and give you. Okay. Now, so this is, you must include in your diet fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now we come to one more fresh thing you can have in the mornings. So what is this? Anyone can guess?
Oats.
Yes, oats. They are whole grains. Okay, oats are whole grains, which you can make oatmeal and have it in your breakfast. Then there are oat biscuits in the market. Instead of having all cream biscuits and other biscuits, you can have lovely cookies of oats. Jabin teacher, can we see the pic of oats biscuit?
Okay, Usana teacher.
See, we'll see how in market what we get. Oat biscuits we get, oat cookies we get, which is they have less sugar and they are of whole grain, okay, which is light for your tummy, which can be digested easily and very, very nutritious. Let's see. Wow. See, these are the healthy ragi. Okay, this is another type of ragi biscuits made in jaggery. These are the digestive biscuits. They are not made of maida. As I told you, maida has no fiber. There is no fiber in maida. You cannot digest maida. But these biscuits are made of wheat, which you can digest easily. Okay? So avoid all maida biscuits. Oh my God, you know what is this? Noodles. And these are rice noodles, wheat noodles. You must, 2 minutes Maggi noodles are not good because they are made of maida. But these healthy noodles, you can eat noodles. But when you go in the market, take healthy noodles for yourself, which are made of rice. No. Okay. Just now we'll see the picture of a dark chocolate. Wow. Yeah. This is pastas. Wow. See, these pastas are made of rice. In market, you get healthy food also. When you go next time with your mom, any supermarket, and always pick up healthy food with mama. Okay. You also can eat noodles, pastas. These are the oat biscuits, cookies.
Bottle was going
Can
to
you-
go
Yes. Oats cookie. This is the dark chocolate cake, which is very, very healthy. Yes, dark chocolate. Which is this chocolate, you know? Dark chocolate. And dark chocolate is made of, you know what is dark chocolate made of? Cocoa. Dark chocolate is made of cocoa.
Ma'am, I eat this biscuit.
You eat dark chocolate biscuits? Very good. It is very healthy. This has less sugar, so your tooth will not pain. You'll never have any cavities in your teeth. So dark chocolates are not very sweet because they have less sugar.
White biscuit, not dark chocolate.
Okay, since this is a cake made out of dark chocolate. This is a cake which is made out of dark chocolate. So dark. Okay. So instead of milk chocolates, you can tell Mama, Mama, buy for me dark chocolates, which are good and healthy. They are less in sugar. They are made from cocoa. Okay. So, yes.
Not with sugar. You can eat sometimes.
Sarah teacher, you are on mute.
Teacher said, Ma'am, I eat this biscuit.
Which biscuits? Yes, you can show them. You can show everyone which biscuits you are having. Jabin teacher, can he show?
Yes, wow, we can see. Can you see? Very good, Abir. These are made out of wheat. Very good. Okay, Hussaina teacher, you can continue.
Okay. Now vegetarians are there. Even non-veg people are there. Then what else we can eat in non-veg? We can have egg and we can have chicken and mutton. Can we see the pic of chicken and mutton? Because that gives you lots of protein, lots of, see, these are all fresh fruit juices. Can we name them? Different juices. Carrot juice. Then, come on, let's name. Apple juice. Then, pineapple juice. Tomato juice and orange juice. See, with vegetable also you can make juices. Tomato juice, carrot juice, then Loki juice, dudi. You can make with that also juice and all the fruit juices. Wow, see, lovely these juices are there. So instead of aerated drinks, we can have fresh juices. And can we see the picture of Jabin teacher of mutton and chicken?
One second.
Yes. Why? Because mutton and chicken also, they are rich in proteins. If you are eating non-veg, you must eat chicken, mutton. Or if you are not eating, you are eating vegetables, you are eating oats, you are eating all pulses, which give you that. All vegetarians get the nutrients from all that. And non-vegetarians who eat egg, mutton, chicken, they get the nutrition and proteins from meat and egg and chicken. Okay. So all these food which are there, you must eat them. They give you nutrients. Now,
Yes, but I
one more.
hope the vegetarians don't mind. Yes, but non-vegetarian food is also healthy.
Healthy. It gives iron, zinc in your body, which is necessary for your growth. And bones, they make your bones muscles. This is prawns. If you like seafood, you can enjoy prawns. Okay.
Prawn.
Yeah, prawns. This is meat. And this is chicken. Wow. So all these non-vegetarian food all gives us protein. And vegetarian people get protein from pulses, from all the pulses we have learned, isn't it? We learned pulses, sprouts, all those intake gives them the protein what the body needs. Okay. Now everyone's favorite. You know what is this? my dish is full of
Dry fruit.
Wow,
dry
lovely.
fruit. Yes. And now I will
That's
tell you.
My dry fruit eating.
Very
Yes.
good. Which dry fruit is this?
Badam.
Badam. And in English we say
Almond.
almonds. Yes, almonds. Almonds are very good for brain. It increases your memory. And eating almonds every day will make you very sharp. And you know how you must eat almonds? You must soak these in the night. Remove the skin and then eat. It makes almonds more and more nutritious, more and more healthy. So eating almonds, you must eat nuts in your daily diet. Okay, every day you must tell mama to give you some or the other nuts every day. Instead of having Lays, instead of having Peppies, eat nuts. Okay. You can make lot of things with nuts. You can make all nut balls. You can make nut chocolates also, and you can eat. So instead of eating Lays and all that, you include in your snack time nuts. You know which is this nut? Can everyone see? Cashew nut.
Yeah,
Yes.
show in the tray. Hussaina teacher, it's in the tray it is seen better. Yeah. Little
Okay.
up there.
Manuka.
Okay. Cashew also increases your bone health. It makes your immunity strong. These days we have to become strong. We have to increase our immunity now. So cashews increase your immunity. Wow. This is for everyone's favorite. What is this?
Manuka.
Manuka. In English, what do you say? Raisin or Kismis. Yes. Kismis, they are in two colors. Black color. Black colors are called manukas. Yes. And this is brown color. They are dried grapes. Okay. They are dried grapes. And they are they are so tiny. Isn't it? They are very, very tiny. But they are very, very healthy. 1 minute. I will just tell you the importance of eating the raisins. You know, they help your digestive system. अगर आपके पेट में कुछ गड़बड़ है, if you have mouth ulcers, आपको अगर बहुत ulcers आते हैं होठ के अंदर, then soak these manukas, soak these kismis overnight, and then you drink that in the morning. It clears all your digestion system. Okay. These tiny are very, very nutritious and helps your digestion system.
Okay, Hussaina teacher, can we wind it off faster because we have a story with Zainab teacher and she's waiting.
Oh, fast. Yes, we'll go a little fast. Okay, what is this? No one recognize? Dates. What is this? Khajur, yes. And these are found plenty in Arabian countries. Arabian countries, Iraq, Iran, Saudi, Dubai, you get lots and lots. They have palm trees and they grow on palm trees. They help to fight lots and lots of diseases. So you must eat dates every day. Okay. They cure lots of diseases. They keep your body healthy. So it has lots of iron. So it increases your blood. If you eat dates every day, it increases your blood. Okay. So every day, try to eat all the nuts, all the dry fruits. Okay. Now today, which festival we are celebrating? Which festival? Makar Sankranti. And what is this? Tilgul. Yes, everyone gives to each other Tilgul. Yeah, good bola. Tilgul. Yeah, and good bola. So this is made of what? You know what is till? They are sesame seeds. What is till? Sesame, till. They are very tiny, tiny seeds. And these seeds are very, very nutritious. They make your bones strong. They make your teeth strong. These are, and they also help in digestion. Okay, so that's till. And the till, and what is this? Till chikki. Okay, and also till laddus are made during this festival. And in winter season especially, they are made with sesame seeds and jaggery. Jaggery gives your body warm. In the cold season, these chikkis and laddus are specially made and given at this festival. They give to their families. Okay, in this they share with each other the till chikki and till laddus. They are made of jaggery and sesame seeds, which make your body warm. Keeps, because in cold season आपको ठंडी बचती है ना, so that keeps your body warm. So now today what we learned all about healthy food, isn't it? Healthy food. So from today, everyone is going to have healthy food and say no to junk food, isn't it? Everyone is with me? Everyone will show me a thumbs up? Oh,
Yes.
yes. Okay. So happy Makar Sankrant. Bye.
Okay, thank you, Sana teacher. We have
Welcome.
also a story waiting on Makar Sankrant. Okay, Sana teacher. Sorry for
Yes,
the
good
delay.
morning.
Yes.
No problem. It's okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Wait, just give me 2 minutes. Okay. So, are you all ready for today's story? Yes? Now, what is
Yes.
today? Today is Makar Sankrant. Yes, a festival of, a festival to fly what? What?
What?
A festival
Come
to
on.
fly
What did dubbing teacher teach you?
Yes. So today is a festival to fly kites. Okay, come on, let us quickly sing a small rhyme. Fly, fly, fly your kites way up in the air. Merrily, 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 merrily lives without a care. Okay, so kites fly way up in the sky. Yes, and what do kites need to fly? Can kites fly like that only? No, they need the wind. When the wind blows, then only the kites can start flying. So today's story is about a kite. Okay, now there was a kite shop. Yes, a shop where there were so many different types of kites. Big kites, small kites, colorful kites, different shapes of kites. Yes, that shop was full of kites. Now, in that shop, there was one plain white kite. See, can you see this plain white kite? This kite is crying. Do you know why she's crying? Because she is not a colorful kite. She does not have any colors on it. That is why nobody would buy this kite. Everyone would buy colorful kites. And this kite, she was left all alone in the shop. So she was very sad. See, she's crying that nobody wants me, nobody likes me, I will always be alone. Yes, so she was very sad. Now, one day when she was kept in the shop window, suddenly a wind started blowing. Yes, but what happened? When the wind started blowing, this kite flew out of the window and she went up in the sky. See, can you see the string? A kite always has a string attached to it. So this kite, she flew out of the window away into the sky and she started flying in the sky. She saw the beautiful bright sun, and she saw a rainbow, and she saw so many different birds flying in the sky. Yes, first time she was out of the shop, so she was happy also. But then again, she became sad. She said, I'm such a plain looking kite. Everywhere I see colorful things, only I have no colors on me. Suddenly, the rainbow, she saw that the kite is crying. So she came to the kite and she said, hey kite, what happened to you? Why are you so sad and why are you crying? The kite said, look at me. I'm such a plain kite. I have no colors on me. Nobody likes me. That is why I'm very sad. I want colors too. Rainbow said, okay, I have magic powers and I can give you colors. Kite said, really? Can you do that? Can you give me colors and make me beautiful and colorful? The rainbow said, yes, I can do that. But first, you have to close your eyes. Yes, so come on everyone, close your eyes. The rainbow is going to make the kite a colorful kite. But for that, everyone has to close your eyes first. So come on everyone, close your eyes. And the rainbow started saying, abracadabra, gilly, gilly, choo. See? Open your eyes. And the rainbow turned this plain white kite into a beautiful, colorful kite. Can you see the kite? Isn't it looking beautiful now? Is it a plain kite anymore? No, it has become a colorful kite just like the rainbow. And she became so happy and full of joy. She said, now I'm not a plain kite. And she started flying happily in the sky. Yes, and there was a small boy who was playing down in the garden. And when he saw a beautiful kite flying in the sky, he said, wow, I also want this beautiful kite. But the kite was flying high, high, high in the sky. And he was not able to take the kite. And the kite flew away up, up, up and disappeared in the sky. Yes, and at last she became a happy kite. Okay, so now, do you know the colors of the rainbow? Who knows the colors of the rainbow? Rainbow has how many colors? Can you tell me that? Yes?
Yellow.
No. First tell me, a rainbow has how many colors? I want the number. How many colors? Very good. Show me on your fingers. Rainbow has 7 colors. 5 and 2, 7. Yes, but there is a rule. You cannot tell the colors of the rainbow in any sequence. You cannot tell in any order. The colors of the rainbow are in the correct order, in the right format. You have to follow that. Do you know how the colors of the rainbow come? See? Can you see this? The colors of the rainbow come in the Vibgyor form. What is this word? Vibgyor. You know what does Vibgyor stand for? Vibgyor stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow. See, the kite is also in the rainbow colors. So I had asked you all to keep a square paper ready and draw 7 lines on it, isn't it? Because we have to color it in the rainbow colors. So we can learn the rainbow colors. But now since we are short of time, what I'm going to do is, let us just mark the rainbow colors. Okay? And then you all can color it later. So now tell me, which will be the first color of the kite? Which color I will use first? The first color is violet. Okay? So first you have to color the first line violet. Okay? Then comes which color? After violet comes I for indigo. Indigo is a dark blue. So after violet
Dark
comes
blue.
indigo, which is a dark blue. So second is indigo, like this. Okay.
करो mark करो.
After
इसमें mark करो.
indigo comes the
अब
third
बस, अब आपने
color,
कर
which is
लेना.
the third color. B for which
Okay,
color?
B4 क्या है करण?
Tell me. B for
कौन सा B for?
blue. Very good. So take a sky blue and color mark it light blue. Very good. After blue comes G for which color starts with G? G for very good. So take a nice bright green and mark it green. See, G for green. After green, we have which letter? Y. Y for
Yellow.
yellow. Very good. So then comes the yellow color. Mark it yellow. After yellow comes which color? O for
Orange.
very good. O for orange. So mark it orange. And which is the last color? R for red. Super. Very good. See, these are the rainbow colors. Can you see?
Time everyone. Goodbye, see you next time everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time everyone. Goodbye, see you next time everyone.
Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. Bye, everyone.